Work him over his way. That's right, just easy now, don't break him off.
He's tired.
All right, come on back here. Walk on back. Walk on around. Walk on around. There you go. That's it. Walk him on around. Walk on. That's it. Hold that for me, Barry.
I'm ready.
Easy, just easy. Reel up a little bit.
He's big.
Is he?
Yeah.
That's it.
He's decent. He's like one of the ones that we caught you.
Yeah, that's great.
Oh. That's it. Reel up, Rhett. Reel up. That's all right. Come on over here.
Miles, don't reach down for it.
Let him come to you. All right, reel up, Rhett.
Look.
You're doing good. You're doing good.
That's nice.
All right, that's it. All right, lift up, Miles.
Good job. Both of you.
Good job, guys. Good job. How about that, Rhett? How's that feel?
Good.